Well, my name is John Kaneholani Aviao Turalde, and I'm from the Ko'olau Poko. We call him Ko'olau Poko because we're from the countryside of Oahu. And when you come to the country, then you can see the ocean and the mountains. So come they call them the Ko'olau Poko, and that's where I'm from, raised up. So my fishing years of time come from my family, my uncle, my dad, yeah, because all the men they all dive. And on top of that, later on in life when I got older, I met this person called Bobby Rusin, yeah, and Arlene Rusin. And that's how I learned how to dive with nets, different type of nets, yeah. Can be 8 feet tall, 18 feet tall, 21 feet tall, okay. And there's gill net and fence net, and that's a living every day underwater lifestyle. Well, Menpachi, fish like that, you have to go in the ocean. You can't call out and say, come to me. It might happen sometime, but maybe somebody went to the market, go buy a Menpachi. But if you go out in the ocean, you know, and you go with nets, lead net, yeah. So whoever got lead net, fish, once you lay, you're gonna catch different variety of fish. And Menpachi is one of them. And most times you might see a hole hole, ninui, because if you're gonna lay a net, that's all nighttime. But daytime it's a little different if you can catch Menpachi. Okay, so it's a little, um, I'll say that little commercial kind. But if you can just poke for Menpachi with the spear, then you're gonna have to hunt around and scout, look for the Menpachis. So that's where it is. Go get them if you want it. Yeah, if you talk about them and you ain't gonna go get it, well, you're gonna be sucking your thumb. But anyway, but fish, Menpachi, if you're talking about how to cook them, right?
Mm-hmm.
Because you get all kind of ways and all kind of style of cooking Menpachi. Because you get fire, or you call it hibachi, yeah? That kind of fire. And you get steaming in a steamer, and you get fry or deep fry if you have oil. Yeah, if you don't, well, you're gonna have to just make a fire, hibachi. And you get your different sauce, whatever you have, what you got in a cabinet, or your truck or car, or your little toolbox. So recipes, when you talk recipes, if you want flavors, then you're gonna have to buy different type of flavors for make that um, flavor tasty. Yeah, and that's what it's all about. Tasty cooking is all about tasting different flavor. It depends what you can. It depends what you can collect and get for your flavors. Most times, right now, within the past 25 years or 30 years, Menpachi, well, you can call them Chinese, yeah, because Chinese style is steaming, yeah. Um, Steaming most times Chinese style, yeah. Same like Menpachi, Kumus, yeah. Chinese and Japanese, they like to steam fish with flavors like Chinese parsley, green onions. You go to the store, buy oyster sauce, and whatever flavor you want, and ginger and garlic, yeah, and hot oil. That's the number one thing. Once you chop up all your veggies and whatever else you had to put on your fish, yeah, prep them, be ready, and you make your oil hot, maybe temperature like 120 degree, until the oil splash if you put a drop of water. So Chinese style, Japanese style, for the past 30 years, if you don't have the ingredients, well, if you got oil, you can deep fry with salt and pepper. And other than that, you go traditional fire. Yep, traditional. And you pour your oil over the veggies and your soy sauce and your oyster sauce, whatever sauce you have. And that's it. Okay. Well, thank you everybody. So I hope you guys will learn something about Menpachi and about cooking and about taste. Yeah. Recipes. And when you cook something, it's not just cook, yeah. Because number one, you might need salt for a little flavor, yeah. And you're gonna need recipes, what kind of flavor. So don't forget about that before you catch the fish and prep them, okay? So enjoy time out in the ocean with your fishing pole. Hopefully the bell ring. If not, if don't ring, put on your diving mask, snorkel, grab a spear, and go in the ocean nighttime. Night diving. You can find them out there, night diving. And if you want to learn more, give me a call. I trade you for cream puffs. So enjoy the fish. Eat it all. Don't waste. Ahui ho.